By the end of this video, you will know how to connect make.com to monday.com. Start by signing in to make.com. Once you are on your dashboard, create a new scenario if you are starting from scratch, or open an existing scenario if you already have one in place. Either option works, as long as you are inside the scenario where you want the monday.com connection to be used. Inside the scenario editor, click the plus button to add a module. In the search field, type monday.com, then select it from the results. After that, choose the specific monday.com module you want to use. The exact module can vary depending on the action you plan to run, but the connection process begins the same way from this point. When the module settings open, look for the connection field. Click Add to create a new connection. This opens the connection setup window, where you will enter the details make.com needs in order to access your monday.com account. In the connection name field, type a name for this connection. Use something clear enough that you will recognize it later if you have multiple monday.com connections in your Make account. This name is only for your reference inside make.com, so it does not need to match anything in monday.com exactly. Next, go to your monday.com account in a separate tab or window. From there, open the developer settings or the API settings page, depending on what appears in your account. Locate your API key. If a key is already available, copy it. If not, generate a new one and then copy it. Be careful to copy the full key without extra spaces before or after it. Return to make.com and paste that value into the API key field in the connection window. Double check that the key has been pasted into the correct field, especially if the connection form includes more than one input box. Once the connection name and API key are in place, click Save. Make.com will create the monday.com connection and return you to the module settings. If the connection saves successfully, you should now see your new connection selected in the module. From here, complete the remaining settings for the module you chose. These fields depend on the module itself, so enter the required values shown on your screen. After the module is configured, click Run once to test the scenario and verify that the connection works properly. Wait for the run to finish, then review the result to confirm that make.com can communicate with monday.com. If everything looks correct, click Save for the scenario. Then switch the scenario on so it can begin running according to its setup. At that point, the connection is active and ready to be used within your workflow. Your monday.com connection in Make.com is now saved, tested, and turned on within your scenario.